Omelet pans are a must-have in any kitchen for those who enjoy whipping up tasty breakfasts. There are many products available to choose omelet pans, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best omelet pans from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Techef Frittata and Omelette Pan. The Techef folding egg pan is designed to enhance your cooking experience. Its heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, so you can say goodbye to hot spots and enjoy perfectly cooked frittatas and omelets. The dual cooking surfaces allow you to prepare multiple dishes at once, saving you time in the kitchen. With a patented non-stick coating that is both scratch-resistant and free from harmful chemicals, you can cook with confidence. Plus, the Stakewool stainless steel handle provides durability and safety, making your cooking process easier and more enjoyable. Number 2. Elite Gourmet EOM 205 Nonstick Omelette. The Elite Gourmet Omelette Maker is your go-to for creating delicious breakfasts with ease. Its non-stick cooking surface allows you to whip up 2 individual omelets or snacks in just minutes, ensuring you enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience. You won't have to deal with flipping or messy pans, as this lightweight and portable device makes breakfast preparation simple. Plus, the preheat and ready indicator lights help you cook at the right temperature every time, guaranteeing perfectly fluffy results. This versatile gadget even lets you explore baking desserts, making it a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Number 3. Nordic Ware Italian Frittata and Omelette Pan, 8.4 inches. The Nordic Ware Italian Frittata and Omelette Pan is a non-stick pan that helps you make perfect omelets with ease. Its hinged design eliminates mess, and the non-stick coating makes it easy to cook with and clean. The compact design is convenient for storage, although one side may show more rim than the other when folded. This omelette pan is made in the USA with a handle from China. Number 4. Gotham Steel Double-Sided Pan. The Gotham Steel Double Pan is a non-stick copper pan that allows you to make fluffy pancakes, frittatas, omelets, bacon, and more without the need for oil or butter. Its award-winning coating ensures ultimate release, while its aluminum composition provides even heating distribution. The pan is scratch-proof, metal utensil-safe, and has ergonomic handles that stay cool to the touch. It is also dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, toxin-free, and comes with a 10-year guarantee. Number 5. Carotte Egg Pan Omelette Pan. The Carotte Egg Pan is a 4-cup non-stick egg frying pan that is perfect for making delicious omelets, pancakes, and more. Made with eco-friendly granite non-stick material, this pan is approved by SGS and Eurofin and is free of harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, ensuring safer and healthier cooking. The 4-cup design allows you to cook 4 eggs or other breakfast favorites like egg sandwiches or bacon with ease. With its extended bottom design, the pan heats up quickly and evenly, saving you time and effort in the morning. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the rivetless interior, which prevents food from sticking. This durable and long-lasting pan is a must-have for any breakfast lover. If you have any issues with your purchase, the Carotte team provides excellent customer service and guarantees 100% refund or replacement.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.